Hey, what's up, DLRs? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that you have the question, which power cord do I purchase for my brand new laundry center, whether it's the black or gray or 4-prong or 3-prong, we're going to answer that in this video. Let's get started. All right, DLRs, we are looking at the back side or rear portion of our GE electric version laundry center. You can see the power cord in the center where it enters into the electrical box. And to the left of that, you see our dryer vent hose. And at this moment, the laundry center is completely disconnected from everything: the power, the water lines, the dryer vent hose, and in addition, we have shifted it out to the center of the room, where again, I want to introduce you to our gray 3-prong electrical power cord that we have on our electric version laundry center. And because it's electric, it has a higher voltage and amp power cord. In the event that you have a gas version, you will not have a power cord or block this large. You will have a standard normal power cord, no different than a TV or any other standard electronic within your home. And there's the opposite end of the power cord. And the gray power cords in our case have 3 prongs. And if you are curious if you need the gray one or black one, the gray has 3 prongs, the black one has 4. And if you purchase the wrong power cord, in other words, if you have 3 prongs and you purchase the black one, it's just not going to work. Let's go back here inside the enclosure where our washer and dryer go. And right there, as you see, 3-prong setup.